Ooh, a pumpkin. Show us your face. Oh, it's a pretty boy. Hi. I think you're a boy. I assume. I don't know if I should assume. Oh, you got it all foggy. Dude, seriously. Here, that's better. You got it foggy, dude. You're funny. You like to snuggle. Look at those pretty eyes. Oh, such a beautiful guy. Such a beautiful guy.